Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Start by measuring your rice precisely. For example, 1 cup of uncooked rice typically yields about 3 cups cooked. Next, rinse the rice under cool water until the water is clear, which removes excess starch and prevents stickiness. Finally, place the clean rice into the inner pot of your rice cooker, preparing it for the next crucial step. The water-to-rice ratio is key for perfect rice. For most white rice, a 1-to-1 ratio works well, meaning 1 cup of water for every 1 cup of rice. However, always check your rice cooker's manual, as some models or rice types may require slight adjustments. Secure the lid, select your desired setting, and let the cooker do its magic. Once you've started the cooker, let it complete its cycle without interruption. Resist the urge to lift the lid, as the steam is crucial for even cooking and texture. After the cooking light turns off, allow the rice to rest for about 10 to 15 minutes with the lid still closed. This resting period allows the steam to redistribute, resulting in fluffier grains. After the resting period, open the lid and use a rice paddle or fork to gently fluff the rice. This separates the grains and releases any remaining steam, ensuring a light and airy texture. Your perfectly cooked rice is now ready to be served warm alongside your favorite meal. Enjoy your delicious, homemade rice.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.